Have you ever felt like your money is slipping through your fingers, no matter how hard you try to save? Or maybe you've wished there was a simpler way to track your expenses and reach your financial goals. Well, today, I'm going to introduce you to a budgeting app that might just be the solution you've been looking for, Emma. Let's face it, personal finance can be overwhelming. With so many bills to pay, expenses to track, and savings goals to achieve, it's easy to feel lost. That's where Emma comes in. It's a budgeting app designed to simplify your financial life and help you take control of your money. 1. Getting started with Emma. Downloading and signing up. The first step is to download the Emma app from your app store. Once you've installed it, you'll need to create an account. This process is usually straightforward and involves providing some basic information. Connecting your bank accounts. The next crucial step is to connect your bank accounts to Emma. This allows the app to automatically sync your transactions, giving you a real-time view of your spending. You can connect multiple accounts, including credit cards and savings accounts. 2. Emma's key features. Categorization. Emma automatically categorizes your transactions, making it easy to see where your money is going. You can customize these categories to suit your specific needs. Budgeting. One of Emma's most powerful features is its budgeting capabilities. You can set budgets for different categories, such as groceries, dining out, and entertainment. The app will track your spending against these budgets, helping you stay on track. Savings goals. Emma allows you to set savings goals. You can specify the amount you want to save and the time frame. The app will provide insights into your progress and suggest ways to accelerate your savings. Spending insights. Emma offers detailed spending insights, allowing you to analyze your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. You can see how much you've spent on different categories over time and compare your spending to previous months. 3. Emma's unique features. Roundups. One of Emma's unique features is roundups. When you make a purchase, Emma automatically rounds up the amount to the nearest whole number and transfers the difference to a savings account. This is a simple yet effective way to save money without even noticing. Bill reminders. Emma can help you stay on top of your bills by sending you reminders when payments are due. You can also set up automatic payments for recurring bills. Financial education. Emma provides financial education resources to help you improve your financial literacy. You can access articles, tips, and quizzes on various topics, such as budgeting, investing, and debt management. 4. Using Emma effectively. Setting up budgets. To get the most out of Emma, it's important to set up realistic budgets for different categories. Start by tracking your spending for a month to get a better understanding of where your money goes. Then, create budgets that align with your financial goals. Regularly reviewing your finances. To stay on top of your finances, it's essential to regularly review your Emma dashboard. Check your spending against your budgets, monitor your savings progress, and identify areas where you can make adjustments. Taking advantage of Emma's features. Make sure to utilize all of Emma's features, such as roundups, bill reminders, and financial education resources. These tools can significantly improve your financial management skills. Emma is a powerful budgeting app that can help you take control of your finances. By tracking your spending, setting budgets, and saving money, you can achieve your financial goals and build a brighter future. So, if you're looking for a simple yet effective way to manage your money, give Emma a try. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.